Hi guys! Welcome to my July happy hour kit video for That's So Fraise. It's Quebec strawberry lemonade. It's delicious. You don't necessarily need to watch the video if you don't want to. You can just go directly to the description and there'll be the recipe in step by step. The first thing that we do is we take our glass and we're going to put ice into it. I'm making it in a particularly large glass, so I'm going to use more ice to make sure that it all stays cold. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our vodka. For this recipe, I would say 1.25 ounces. I'm going to put 2 ounces because I'm feeling like that today. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our Quebec strawberry sour syrup. This already has a lot of lemon juice in it as well, so you don't need additional lemon. So we're actually going to use 2 ounces of this. So the next step in this is to add water. It is up to you whether you decide to use regular water or sparkling water. I've provided you with sparkling water to make it a little more fun and effervescent. It's up to you. So we'll take our water. Give yourself a tiny bit of room when you go to stir it around, because if you go all the way to the top, chances are an ice cube is going to go flying. Now we're going to take our spoon, and if you have a bar spoon, great. If you don't, you can just take any type of spoon. Just make sure it's a little bit long if you're using a tall glass. And you're going to go all the way to the bottom, and you're going to swirl it around and slowly bring it upwards. And that's the best way to mix this cocktail, because right now it's completely separated. So take our spoon. Go an up and down motion. A drink needs its garnish. So I've cut these into wheels. You can cut them into slices or into wedges. It's up to you. A wedge actually usually sticks on easier. So we're going to take it, I'm going to put it on, and we're going to go all the way around the rim of the glass. And that's going to give us the nose as soon as we bring it up to our face. So there it is, guys. It's That's So Fraise. It's Quebec strawberry lemonade. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. So links to my other videos will be right above me on my website or down below in the description on YouTube. And I hope to see you again next month. And I might go run away with this now.